When we look at our lives and the world, few facts become obvious. 1. Life is filled with suffering. Whether you are big or small, young or old, rich or poor, you cannot escape from suffering. 2. You cannot control all aspects of your life. You have a limited control over what happens inside you and outside you. 3. You cannot fully comprehend the truths of life. Our vision goes far beyond which everything is hazy and dark. 4. We are a mixture of opposites, and we live in a world of opposites. 5. The world does not seem to obey God, and God does not seem to pay much attention to our problems. These are a few bitter facts about life. However, we have the ability to overcome these facts, such as 1. With effort and persistence, we can improve ourselves and make a difference. 2. We have the intelligence to discern the best and the ideal for us. 3. We have the freedom to choose from the various alternatives life presents to us. 4. With focus and determination, we can learn and grow in the direction of our ideals and aspirations. 5. We can control our basic instincts and lower nature. In these circumstances, what are the remedies that are available to us to live our lives and secure the best that life can offer to us? This question is not easy to answer, because the answer depends upon what one expects from life and out of oneself. However, in the ultimate analysis, people do care. Good health, wealth and comforts, security and stability, peace and happiness, fulfilling relationships, and opportunities to grow and prosper. We may call these the ideal goals which most people aspire to achieve. When people live in environments and cultures that do not support these goals or promote the values that lead to them, they become dissatisfied with their lives and circumstances. I therefore believe that our primary aim should be to secure those ideas mentioned before, while we grow mentally and spiritually, transcending our lower nature. It will be possible when we cultivate wisdom and higher nature, for which I believe the following are vital.